Guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we'll be making carrot orange juice. So the ingredients we'll be using are my carrots. I'll be using ginger and then oranges. So while I peel my carrots, I'll go on to explain the health benefits of this juice. I will first of all go on to cut my oranges. The health benefits of oranges are that it contains vitamin C that helps to control aging, helps to support immune system and absorb iron in the body. It contains antioxidants that helps to fight free radicals in the body that are toxic to the system, and also it helps to exfoliate your skin from the inside. It contains hydrating properties which keeps your skin moisturized. It helps to lighten up your skin and make it glow from the inside, and it has anti-inflammatory properties. I'll go on to peel off the back of my oranges and cut it into pieces. So I'll go on to cut my ginger slice. Ginger helps to treat fever or cold. It helps to reduce morning sickness. It relieves muscle and menstrual pain. It has anti-inflammatory qualities. It lowers the blood pressure and it regulates the blood sugar and aids in digestion. So I'll go on to peel off the back of my carrot before using it. So the benefit of carrot contains beta carotene that is good for the eyes and the skin. It contains vitamin C which helps to boost immune system. It is filled with antioxidants that helps to fight free radicals that are toxic to the system. It helps to avoid sunburn. It's good for the heart. It helps to keep the body hydrated, and it contains vitamin A and a good source of folate. I will go ahead to wash the ginger and the carrots. Guys, we'll be making this juice with a blender and not a juicer, and because we are using blender, I'll go on to slice my carrot and ginger into small pieces. If you have watched to this point, kindly like and share my video. Share this video to your family, to your friends, on your WhatsApp. Feel free to share it so that they can try this. This juice is very good for the body. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell button to get notification when I drop a new video. So I'll be pouring in 2 cups of water. Cover it up and transfer to my blender. I'll be using my Max Blend to blend this. I'm done blending, so I will take it off the motor base. Then I will be straining this. I will be using my strainer. If you have a cheesecloth, please use it to strain this, so that I can extract my juice. So I'll be straining it for the second time just to get a smoother juice. You can see what was strained out. You can go on to strain it the 3rd time, that's fine. So for this juice, you can put it in a can and store in your fridge. It can stay for a day or 2 days. Try to finish it as fast as you can. So guys, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell button so I get a notification when I drop a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.